how to delete PlentyOfFish account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application PlentyOfFish and make sure you are logged into your specific account. You will be landing on this home page. Move into your profile at the top right corner. Now scroll down and inside my account, you'll find the option of manage account. Head over to it. At the bottom, the option of delete account will be visible to you. Click on it. Now you'll find two options, take a break and then delete my account. As you're looking on to how to delete, tap on delete my account at the bottom. You need to state the reason on why you want to leave the account. You can choose any of the reason from here and then click on delete my account. And there you go, your account has been deleted successfully. Once it has been deleted, now you won't be able to recover your account. If you want to use PlentyOfFish account, what you want to do is create a new account and then use it. So that's it, and this was a tutorial on how to delete your PlentyOfFish account. I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for staying with us till the end.